I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Access Chapter 2 Simulation Training Hands-on Exercise 3. I will guide you through this training, this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can do your training by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments help, exam help, quizzes help, and simulation exam helps on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of my laptop screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat, and I will handle your complete course, and we will deal for this course. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam with A+ grade. I can do all online courses: MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. Let's start our training to solve it step by step. We will go to MATLAB Pearson. We will go to Access Chapter 2 Simulation Training Hands-on Exercise 3. We will launch this training and then we will start our training. Click on Launch button. So question number 1 is that begin creating relationships in the database by adding the accounts, branch, and customer table order in that order. In the relationship window, close the add table pane. Okay, go to the database tools group. In the relationship database tools tab, in the relationship group, click on relationship button. So we will have to add this 3 table: accounts, branch, and customer table. Accounts, branch, and customer. We will add these 3 tables to relationship window. Close the add table pane. Close the add tables pane. Create a one to many relationship between the branch ID fields in the branch table and the accounts table, being sure to enforce relational integrity. Create one to many relationship between the branch ID fields in the branch table and accounts table. Okay, branch table and accounts table. One to many relationship, branch ID field. Okay, so being sure to enforce relational integrity. Click on this checkbox, enforce relational integrity. So we will click on create button. Okay, question is done now. Total question of this training is 2. I have done one question. I just show you one question in my video, but I have done 2 questions for my student, and I have done this complete training for my student, and I have submit on my MATLAB Pearson portal. So I am going to show my grade which I have got in this training. So question number 2 is that join the customer ID field in the customer table to the customer ID field in the accounts table. Select the enforce refresher integrity and cascade update related fields checkboxes and create the relationship. Okay, join the customer ID field in the customer table to the customer ID field in the account table. Customer ID field in the customer table and to the customer ID field in the account table. We will join this two. Okay. Select the enforce relational integrity and cascade update related field checkboxes and create the relationship. We will click on enforce refresh integrity checkbox. So we will click on related and cascade update related. Cascade update related fields. Click on this checkbox and create the relationship. Click on create button. Relationship will be created. Open the accounts table in datasheet view. In the navigation pane, we will open our accounts table. Double click on accounts table. Accounts table is open right now. So we will in the new record at the end of the accounts table In the account ID field, enter 1027. In the customer ID field, enter 3003. In the branch ID field, enter B50. In the balance field, enter 4000. In the open date field, enter 4/13/2025. Press enter. Note that the record is accepted because the customer ID value 3000 exists in the customer table. Okay, in the new record at the end of the accounts table, account ID field enter 1027. 1027 for account ID. So in the customer field enter 3003. Customer ID 3003. So branch ID field enter B50. Branch ID field we will enter B50. So balance field enter 4000. Okay, in the open date field enter 4/13/2025. 4/13/2025 in the open date. Okay, press enter. Question is done now. I have done this complete training. So please click OK to submit the training. I am going to submit this training. So I have done this training and I will show my grade which I have got in this training. You can see on my laptop screen I have got 100% grade in this training. 2 points out of 2. Assess chapter 2 simulation training hands on exercise 3. If you want to do this training from me and if you want to do this complete course from me, I will do this complete training and complete course for you with A plus grade. So I can do all online courses: MyLab accounting, MyLab finance, MyLab excel, MyLab word, MyLab powerpoint, writing, economics, java, C++, python, nursing, medical, web development, math courses, linear algebra and calculus, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen, and my WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can contact me on my WhatsApp, and if you don't have WhatsApp, then you can contact me on my email and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your all simulation training. I will do your all simulation exam. I will do your all assignments project. I will do your midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. You will be free from this course. I will handle your complete course, each and everything. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all student. Thank you so much.